Let's talk about a product that brings a pop of sparkle and whimsy to any costume look. The Rubies Wednesday TV Series Enid Sinclair Makeup Kit. If you're a fan of the hit series Wednesday, or simply want to add a fun, colorful twist to your next event, this kit might be right up your alley. Now, before diving into the details, let's start with the essentials. The kit comes with a tube of glitter pink lipstick, specifically designed for ages 8 and up. It's an officially licensed product from the Wednesday TV series, which means you're getting something that stays true to the vibe of the character, Enid Sinclair. Think bright, playful, and unapologetically bold. I had the chance to test this product in real life, and I can say it brings the fun factor. The lipstick itself is a vibrant glittery pink, which instantly catches the light and adds a little extra sparkle to any look. Whether you're heading to a Halloween bash, a themed party, or just indulging in a bit of cosplay fun, it's a great way to channel Enid's playful spirit. Let's talk usability. The texture is smooth, but it's important to note that this is designed as a costume product, not something meant for all-day wear in professional settings. It's easily washable with mild soap and warm water, which is a nice feature for those who don't want to deal with difficult removal after a fun night. I'd recommend using this in settings where a bit of glitter and drama is welcomed, like festivals or themed parties. As for the pros, it's a fun way to incorporate a bit of TV-inspired magic into your everyday events. The color is bold and noticeable, perfect for creating that larger-than-life effect. It also pairs nicely with a variety of costume looks, from Wednesday Addams-inspired ensembles to other quirky, colorful characters. Plus, it's easy to wash off. No lengthy makeup removal required. On the flip side, the major downside here is its purpose. This lipstick is designed for costume use, so it's not the most practical for daily wear, and you probably won't find it holding up as well as a traditional lipstick throughout the day. The glitter is fun, but it can feel a bit much if you're not aiming for that kind of high-impact look. Now, is it worth the price? Given that it's an officially licensed product tied to a popular show, I think the cost is justified if you're looking for something that adds an extra layer of fun to your costume events. If you're looking for something a little more everyday wearable, you may want to look elsewhere. In terms of alternatives, there are plenty of other costume makeup brands out there that offer fun, glittery lipsticks. However, if you're a Wednesday fan or love the idea of adding some character flair to your look, this one is a solid option. The build quality is fine for its purpose. The packaging is compact and easy to store, and the product is designed to deliver that fun, bold effect without too much hassle. Just keep in mind, this is a costume item, not a regular beauty product. As for customer service, I didn't have a chance to engage directly with Rubies, but from what I know of the brand, they've got a solid reputation for delivering quality costume accessories. Overall, I'd say this product is a fun, playful addition to your costume collection. If you're a Wednesday fan or just love quirky, high-impact makeup looks for special occasions, you'll probably enjoy this glitter pink lipstick. Just know that it's not the kind of product you'll be wearing every day. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.